In this video, I'm going to show you can easily change name in WhatsApp. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started. And the first off, open up WhatsApp app. And then if you would like to change your own name, tap at settings, then at the very top, tap at your name. And that's where you can change your name on WhatsApp. Just remove the existing one. Enter new one and tap it done. If you want to change some contact's name, go to Charles, then tap enter that icon to get into your WhatsApp contacts. Then just search for a contact you would like to rename. You can do it in that way just by scrolling through all of that list. Or you can also use search. Just enter contact's name or number. And once you find a contact you would like to rename, just tap on it. Then tap right here at the top of the conversation, and then tap at edit. That's where you can change name of this contact. You can enter first name and last name, and then hit at save. That's how you can easily change name on WhatsApp. Now you can write down in the comments below. If you have any questions about the tutorial, hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.